Good morning, SK. I'm Swagger.
And I'm Kia. Wait, what do you mean you're Swagger?
Isn't it obvious? You can't tell it all? It's student-teacher swap day. Who are you supposed to be?
Oh yeah. Well, I'm dressed as Mr. Pickard.
Whoa, we totally didn't plan that one. Anyways, we should probably get into the news. As the week continues, so does the spirit. Today's theme is student-teacher swap. Following that, tomorrow will be black tie versus tie-dye. And finally, Friday will be Winter Wonderland Cross Wars. Freshmen and juniors wear white, and sophomores and seniors wear blue. Staff members can participate by wearing gray. The pep assembly is also this Friday, so make sure you really bring out that school spirit. As for the assembly itself, here's where everyone will be sitting. Seniors and sophomores will be on the small bleachers, while juniors, freshmen, and the band will be on the big ones. Be sure to order your yearbooks before the end of the month, as yearbooks purchased before January 31st are guaranteed. After that, they will be sold on a first-come, first-served basis. Spring sports will be here before you know it. They officially start on the 27th of February, so make sure you complete all sections of Final Forms registrations ASAP. If you have any questions, you can visit the athletics office during non-class time. Last night, bowling pulled off a big win, beating the number 1 team in the league, Curtis, last night at home. They beat them by 92 pins, score 1,901 to 1,809. Wrestling had its first home meet of the season yesterday. JV dominated the mat even as they had to speed things up and have 2 matches at once. Before varsity kicked off, Roscoe was making his rounds and cheered on the team as they came out. The Vikings got an early lead, but then Hartford, Niner, Eaglin, Fregoso, Chobot, and Handy all got pins, with Sherwood getting a major victory to help secure the win.
Athletes using the weight room after school Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Here's a Google Classroom code on screen that you can join for updates. Video production is still looking for help to record basketball games. All you have to do is be able to move a joystick and follow the ball. You can earn community service hours while supporting your fellow Wolves. Acting Ensemble is having their Winter Improv Night Friday. You can get a full night of laughs right here at the SK Theater. It all kicks off at 7. The SK Talent Show will be next Friday. Tickets will only be sold at the door and only for cash. Can't wait to see the talent SK brings. Maybe we'll see a comedian there. And if jokes aren't your thing, you should check out the basketball game this Friday. And if you want a chance at a courtside seat for the game, your time is running out.
Hey SK, you ever thought to take interest in the school's basketball teams? Well, you have a free chance here to win courtside seats at a home SK basketball game. The winner will get to invite 2 friends to sit with them in special designated seating, and the pregame food will be provided. Tickets are $2, you can buy as many as you like, and they're available through January 12th. All of the proceeds from ticket sales will benefit the Boys Basketball ASB Fund. Your tickets can be purchased at the ASB office, and the drawing for the winner will take place live on WTV on Friday. The game will also take place that same Friday, January 13th, against Emerald Ridge.
Winning those courtside seats sounds a lot easier than trying to win the Mega Millions, so hurry up and enter, people. Moving on, scholarships are moving in. Seniors, see what free money you can get for college by going to the Career Center's website. Many scholarships come due in February, so don't delay. If you're wanting a job right out of high school, you're in luck. The Trident Refit facility at Bangor is having an event on January 28th at the Armory. If you want to go, make sure you have your resume on hand. If you need help making one, check with the Career Center.
Seniors and juniors who plan to take the SAT on March 1st, you need to sign up with Mrs. Wood in the library ASAP, as there are limited spots. Some of us have already seen our schedules for next semester. Even if you're not happy with your classes right now, don't worry. Your counselors will be in the Commons next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, to help assist you with any schedule troubles. The state wants your opinion on important health issues facing teenagers, and you can get $150 for your time. Just head to tinyurl.com/WA Teen Health Survey. You must be between 13 and 17 years old to take the survey. In club news, Woodshed will be meeting next Wednesday. National Honor Society and AP Action Club will meet in 2 weeks on Monday the 23rd. As for the clubs meeting today, they are ASL, AAPI, Autotech, Cosmetology and Self-Care, Esports, Journalism, QSA, and Speech and Debate. Meeting tomorrow will be STEM, DECA, FCCLA, FFA, German, Japanese, and Spanish. Today was a pretty long show.
Yeah, but at least we look cool.
True. Well, now I'm Pickard.
And I'm Swagger. And that's the way the wolf howls. Roll it.